Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Innovative Mind, and today I am going to show you how to solve the cube. This is my tutorials 2. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make the white edges. So without wasting time, let's start it. Now moving this up, we have to find the edge, the white edge. So let's find it. Let's move it. U. Now you can see this edge is now at the middle of the white. Once more, in this layer, if there is no edge, then don't worry, we have to find it and move it to the right place. So here we can see there is an edge, so we have to just move it upwards. R. Here this one is also R and L prime. You can see this, the yellow cross is now ready with the white edges like this. So now we have to match the edge piece and the middle piece. So this is matched, so we have to just move it 180 degree like this. This is already matched, so move it 180 degree. This is also matched, and this is also matched. So you can see this, our white cross is ready. Once more, let's do it. We have to match this edge piece with the middle piece. Move it 180 degree. Once more. Our yellow cross is now ready. So let's move it on the next step. Now we can see this, there are the 3 corners are not filled, so we have to fill it. So now if we have to move this corner to this corner, we have to just move it down, R prime, down prime, R. You can see this, it's now its right place, but it's not matching the middle piece, so it's not at right place. Now here we can see this, there is a red color, so we have to find the red color middle. So this red color wants to be at this corner, so R prime, down prime and R. Yes. Now we can see this, there is a yellow corner, so we have to find yellow, and there is blue also, so the corner have to move at this place. So we have to move it at this, so we have to do R prime, down and R. So this is not at right place, we have to do it once more. So this is the corner. Now we can see our blue line is ready. We have to do it same for other corners also. Now we have to move it to this, so we have to do down, R prime and down prime. You can see this, our orange line is also ready, green line is also ready, but here it's not the white corner, so this corner is incorrectly placed, so this one have to move to this. So we just have to move it like this, then R prime, down and R. So guys, you can see this, our all colors line is now ready. So this is my tutorial 2. If you have liked this video, friends, then like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.